bobbing. So Neil, can you show them how you bob? He's going to go underwater, take a breath, take a breath. He's going very fast. Other kids can go slower than this. But the point is that they would go underwater. Okay, we're going to go slower. He's going to go underwater, breathe, 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 breathe. Okay, and I would do that exact thing with many kids where I just pick them up and then take a breath. And I kind of just help them go up and down. This is important as they're going to learn how to side breathe in the next level, and just really helping them navigate breathing in and out, because breathing in the water is different than breathing on land. So it's just another way to practice. Also, as they get deeper, they can start to bob to safety if needed. If they got too deep, instead of drowning, they have the option of hop, bob. Now you can bob. Ready? Bob and hop. And look at that. He can bob and hop to safety. Okay, that one's a little bit more advanced for level 2. We talk about that in level 3. But that is a good thing. They can learn that too, to bob and hop to safety. All right, and you'll probably see them and your kids start to practice this just as they've been taught the skills, because now they naturally know what to do in the water and the practicing becomes natural to them.